In this video, you are going to see how to lock an element in PowerPoint so they can't be moved. Here you will see I have a shape, but I can't select it or I can't move it. So let's get started. Let us go to View and go to this option Slide Master. Now let us go at the down and click on right button and click on this option Insert Layout. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, or you can go to Picture. Let us go to Picture, go to this device. Let us choose this picture, click on Insert and put it like this. Now let us go to the Slide Master and click on Close Master View. Now here you will see there is no changes. Now click on right button and click a new slide. And again click on over here, go to Layout and choose the Custom Layout. And here you will find the element, the image. You can move it or you can delete it. If you want to remove it again, go to View and go to Slide Master and go to over here and remove it by pressing the delete button and close the master view. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.